Hello students, today we are going to discuss the 10th numerical. Question is written as a beam PQRS is 18 meter long and is simply supported at point Q and R 10 meter apart. Overhang PQ and RS are 3 meter and 5 meter respectively. A train of 2 point loads of 150 kN and 100 kN 5 meter apart crosses this beam from left to right. It means that the load is moving from left to right with 100 kN load leading. It means that the 100 kN load is ahead of 150 kN load. Now during the passage of the loads, the maximum and minimum reaction at support are in kilonewton are respectively. Okay. Now for this we had made a beam like this, that is P, Q, R and S, having simple supports at Q and R. Now to find the maximum reaction at R, we need to place the 100 kN load at S. This is the ILD for reaction at R. Okay. So for formation of ILD for reaction at R, we need to lift the support R by unit amount, and the resulted deflected shape will be the ILD for reaction at R. Now, due to the overhang portion, this ordinate will be of length 1.5 meter and this will be of 0.3 meter in the negative direction from the concept of similar triangles. Okay students. Now, for finding the maximum reaction at R, we need to place the 100 kN load at S as well as 150 kN load at R, so that the reaction will be maximum. Okay. Now, the maximum reaction will be equals to maximum reaction at R. Now for the calculation of maximum reaction at R, we need to multiply the load with the ordinate, that is 150 into 1 plus 100 into 1.5. Now after multiplying this, we will get 300 kilonewton. That will be the maximum reaction at R, because we had multiplied the load with the maximum positive ordinate, so that the maximum reaction at R will be equals to 300 kilonewton. Now we need to find the minimum reaction at R. Now for the minimum reaction at R, the ILD will be like this. Okay, we had already made the ILD for reaction at R. Okay students. Now there will be two cases for the determination of minimum reaction at R. First one is when 100 kN load is at P. It means that the 100 kN load is here and the 150 kN load is behind the 100 kN load like this. Okay. So only 100 kN load is present on the span of the beam, that is PQRS. So if we multiply the 100 kN load with the ordinate, that is this ordinate, that is 0.3, we will get the reaction as 100 into 0.3, which will be equals to, and we will write here minus because the ordinate is negative, so it will be equals to minus 30 kilonewton. That will be the reaction at R when the 100 kilonewton load is at P. Now second case arises when the 150 kN load is placed at P and 100 kN load is at a distance of 2 meter from the support Q. Okay. Now if we want to calculate the reaction at R, then we need to determine this ordinate, that is this ordinate, and from the similar triangle we had determined this ordinate as 0.2. Okay students. Now for the reaction at R, we need to multiply the load with the ordinate, that is 150 into minus 0.3 plus 100 into plus 0.2 because of positive ordinate. Now after multiplying this, we will get minus 25 kilonewton. Now from both these, the minimum reaction will be minus 30 kilonewton. So the minimum reaction, that is the minimum reaction at R, will be equals to minus 30 kilonewton when 100 kilonewton is at P. Okay students. So we had determined the maximum reaction at R, which will be equals to 300 kilonewton when 100 kilonewton load is at S and 150 kilonewton load is at R. Similarly, we had determined the minimum reaction at R, which will be equals to minus 30 kilonewton when 100 kilonewton load is at P. That is all about this question. Thank you very much, students.